What's this, guys? A mukbang? I guess so. This is a mukbang. I love it. I love it. But yeah. They're telling me that's the law, that you have to stay in education until you're 18, then you can drop out. For me, that's unfair. It's like you have no choice. It's like you have no choice but to stay in school whether you like it or not. And I feel like, my opinion, you know, the government, please don't prosecute me, but that's a little controlling. That's a little controlling. Not many people like to go to school, but it's like they have to. It's just not fair. This is what it is anyways. Who cares? I mean, I care, but the people who I talk to don't, so. I love this, guys. I freaking love this. This is just amazing, bro. This is amazing. If I had to describe my mum's cooking and my cooking when it comes to chicken, mum's all day, because my chicken isn't as tasty as my mum's. In case you guys are asking, bro, I leave school 5 minutes early than everyone else. So, I'm vibing. Guys, I'm so up because I know you guys are gonna be like, Ben, bro, just talk. But the thing is, bro, there's nothing really much to say. I just don't know how streamers do it. They just speak out. I guess they speak from the heart. It's like they just don't care. Every day they'll do what they want on camera. They just don't give a crap. They just don't take streaming seriously. They don't take life seriously. That's just their mindset. When it comes to streaming or just recording and just doing nothing, just recording, just putting the camera right in front of your face and just talk. So that's what I'm gonna do from now on, guys. I feel like this is what I want to do. Like literally, it might get to a point where I'm not even saying anything in my videos. I'll just do my thing, recording, and get paid from it. Nah, eat the bone, bro. Nah. Don't know why I did that, just took a risk. Life is all about taking risks. Try out something new. Whether you like it or not, that's life, but you need to try out something new. Like speaking with your mouth open while food is inside. That's trying something new.